Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some orange soda Parasad. I'm doing a series of Parasad, and I do have the milk Parasad and I do have the Coca-Cola Parasad on the channel. Please make sure to check the link out for those. They're absolutely amazing. Now this one we're doing is the orange soda Parasad. I do think this one is my favorite though. It is so creamy. So I don't know what the orange soda did, honey, but this right here I totally enjoy. I love it, love it, love it. This is my favorite. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's jump right into this video. Here I have some milk, some cinnamon sticks, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, clove powder. We're going to boil this. Then we're going to add some sugar. You can omit and add some condensed milk. I'll leave the correct measurements in the description box. Then we're going to melt some flour, some butter, and add the flour. And we're going to work this in until it becomes really light. We're going to add the flour just a little bit at a time. Then we're going in with the rest of the sugar here, and we're going to work this in. Guys, after about 12 to 15 minutes, you're going to add your raisins and your cherries. Continue to work this. Then you're going in with your orange soda. And as I mentioned, the correct measurements will be in the description box. Continue to work this until it becomes really nice and smooth. Now, you can choose just to use the orange soda, but I choose to use some of the milk mixture. So you can omit that. This, guys, was so smooth, so rich, so absolutely divine. I really hope you guys try this one though, along with the Coca-Cola, because that one is new. And you guys let me know which one is your favorite or which one you prefer. All right, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Everyone in Guyana, a big shout out to you guys, especially those in Parasad, Nagar, and Luziknan. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.